traders, welcome to the TMT Stock Market Strategy video for Friday, July 29th, last day of the month. Markets are in a consolidation phase for 11 trading days, pretty much most of July, other than a few days up that we've had. Markets cannot break down or break up to the upside. Thought that may have happened with the Bank of Japan, possibly with more stimulus. So they actually didn't do well. Meaning that the markets were disappointed on what they had brought out as far as the stimulus package is concerned. So the markets rallied at the end of the day on this, and now that they were a little bit weak as far as what kind of stimulus they're going to put out, markets don't go anywhere. So it's one-sided, totally tremendous amount of complacency in the market. VIX at extreme lows. You have to be careful and you have to be cautious because at any given moment, this market is ready to go. Now, we don't know which way it's going to go, but I do believe, and like I've been mentioning before, the path of least resistance is going to be to the downside, meaning the bigger move, okay? Can we run to 2200? Absolutely. We're only about 30, 40 S&P points away. This is going to be a very short video because there's nothing here I can sugarcoat anything. I'm not going to. Giving you true, unbiased technical analysis, and I'm just going to go through the spiders daily, 60 and 30 minute. A lot of the indicators on the short term are still overbought. The daily charts and the weekly charts, they're unwinding. 60 minute, they're unwinding a lot of their overbought readings, which is bullish. Hanging up here at the under end, but I want to give you the areas here to watch. And this is the daily chart. It'll go the same as the 60 minute. 215.50. All right, support 215.50 is very big. They cannot break down from there. 217.50 is big. Now remember, guys, there's going to be a lot of failed breakouts and breakdowns because that's what the market does. To get you one-sided, you get stopped out. And once you're frustrated and you don't come back into the markets, that's when the markets really make the big move. So just use a little caution. Me personally, I'm really liking the VIX down here at these areas. And it could even go lower. The VXX, which I'm not going to show you because it's just we're outside of the Bollinger Bands. We're looking for a buy signal, probably going into sometime next week. So 215.50, which would give you 2150 in the ES, okay, and 2170 in the ES as far as resistance is concerned. 60 minute, we had some negative divergence forming. Yeah, we still have a little bit of negative divergence, but you can see we're unwinding that reading here. And you can see here still having the lower lows and lower highs. MACD curled up ever so slightly, but look what's happening here. 11 trading days doing absolutely nothing. We had a few days up in the beginning of the month, and that was pretty much it. Pretty boring stuff, guys, I got to tell you. And remember, if you're looking for the higher probability trade, right now it's not there. Go play golf, do a little swimming, whatever you need to do, whatever you guys really like to do, because it's not here. There's nothing here, guys. Look for a stock instead of the indexes, because until this thing breaks out or breaks down, and I want two closes above the support, above resistance or below support for me to justify that, okay, maybe we are headed in that direction. Last is going to be the 30 minute. Look at how tight the Bollinger Bands are. I haven't seen it this tight in a very, very long time. This is ready to go. Energy's building. We need a catalyst, and I don't know which one it's going to be, but guys, be ready, because at any given moment we can have extreme movements in the markets, and I do believe that's coming sometime in August. The last day of the month, we should have mutual fund inflows, probably break out of this market higher, push this market higher, but I would be probably more inclined to look at shorting the market at any excessive highs. Now, I know that sounds crazy, but remember where we are here, guys, all right? Let the markets get up to these extreme levels and make sure that you get a trigger. Follow your own trading plan. All right, guys, have a great day. Enjoy the weekend, and we'll speak to you on Monday with a big analysis.